Hello, good morning, everyone. Um, Depending on where you are watching from. Today is Friday, so I just say let me do a real quick video for you guys. If today is your first time coming to my video, kindly hit subscribe button because this weekend I'll be dropping a lot of videos explaining things about this liquidity stuff, how to catch it. I'll still teach more on how to a zone that you are doubting yourself if this zone will hold, how you can be able to confirm the zone on lower time frame and all that. So this is a 4 hours time frame and this is GBP AUD. So this week was very, very hard for us in terms of getting a setup because of the kind of strategy that we are trading. But anyhow, even if it's one trade a week, it's very, very nice. So when I saw this GBP when I saw this move, pushing up, breaking structure, and all that, though I know all this is um, buy side liquidities. Then, looking at the trend, you could see that the trend is very, very bullish. The trend is very, very bullish. And all these zones, that markets definitely going to take it out. First one, second one. This liquidity. Then I know that this is my key zone because as I consider this level as liquidity, though at last it later liquidated, but I was looking for a zone at this level. Then I didn't see any zone that markets this push up tested this zone. So I map out this zone as my, key level, waiting for markets to, come straight to this level so that, I can take what I usually do. But looking at the trend, I saw that the trend is very, very bullish. So this kind of move is a move I explained on my previous video. If you have not watched it, you need to, go back and watch them properly so that you purely understand what I'm saying. So I saw this bullish trend and I was feeling like this zone might not hold. You understand? Because of the bullish momentum. So when I saw this, I map out this level, then I say anyway, what I need to do is once market reach to my point of interest, like I always say, then I'll need to go to my, lower time frame, which is my lowest time frame, which is a 5 minutes time frame. You can see how this zone looks like pure. Like even if you're blind, you can see that, what market is doing is probably right. Is you that should know exactly what you are doing. And because I know a lot of traders will start selling from here, will start selling from here, and also here without considering some certain things. So when I saw this, I said, okay, that's very fine. Then I went straight to my 5 minutes time frame. Like I said on my previous video, is that when you see a zone like this, there is some setup that when we see it like this, we'll take it from here instantly without waiting for a confirmation. But this kind of move need a very clear confirmation. This video is just like my previous video because it's what happened here is actually the same thing that happened on my previous video. So this is my point of interest. Then I was waiting patiently to see that confirmation that I needed. Remember what I said on my previous video? I said that, let me shift this so it's a bit more clear. On my previous videos, I said that before you take an entry, you need to break out structures. Even if it's from lower time frame or higher time frame, you need it for a very clear entry and a very clear confirmation. So what I did, when market came to my point of entry, you could see what market did. Market even swept out overall, like swept away like where my point of interest is, located at. So you can see that market came to my point of interest. I first got first break of structure to the upside, second break of structure to the upside. giving me a very clear that, yeah, this is a liquidity. Then when market broke out from my point of interest, I was waiting to see a pullback to the downside. I was waiting to see two breakout structures to the downside so that I can consider what next to do. And it was very, very clear. Market broke out to the left side, then coming down, gave me first breakout structure, second breakout structure. I say, wow, that's very nice. Then before markets coming to this level, you could see this pullback, this a little bit pullback to the upside. Then when I saw this, I said, wow, fine, I've gotten my liquidity. Then you can see this little order block with a small fair value gap. Then when I saw this, I said, okay, that's very nice. Then I placed my new point of interest, my sell limits at the same spot at this level. Then what next? I set my stop loss above this high because markets have given me a liquidity already and then gave me two breakout structure, giving me internal liquidity with a point of interest. Then my stop loss should be above this level because if market trade above this level, then this move is not for me. So look at what happened. Market just came, tap me in, boom, to the downside. Then after that's why I said always make your stop loss a little bit higher. Because I didn't mean I place my stop loss, my entry from this level, my stop loss above this point of interest. You could see that when market was coming to this level, it would be testing your psychology, emotion. But putting your stop loss above is for a safer, to be in a safer place, in terms of the trading. So when I place it, I left it to run. I think I called the move on Wednesday. Then, look at what happened. This is a 53 pip stop loss. Then I think I closed my partial around this level. This is from here to here is one ratio, two risk reward. Let's measure it. From here, from here to here is 106 pips here. I've already closed out partial, which is 1:2. Then my stop loss is now somewhere around here. I've already adjusted my stop loss, taking my partial 1:2 risk reward here. Then I'll be waiting for the rest of the move to this level. So it's very, very simple. This is how you can be catching moves, back to back, back to back. The only thing you need is patience. And I think I'm also on this trade, AED card, real quick, AED card. This is AUD card. You could see what's happening here, though we are seeing little profit anyway. You could see the same thing. This is higher time frame. First break of structure, second break of structure, then the final break of structure. Then all these level are liquidity. Then my points of interest at this level. So market just came, trigger us, then boom to the upside. So on my next video, I'll be explaining a lot. There is a lot of move that we are waiting for. Have a nice day. I need to catch up with one or two things. I think we are still waiting for move on BTC USD. We could see what's going on here. We could see we're waiting on BTC USD, first break also, second break also, third break also. All these levels are liquidity. So we are waiting for this move on BTC. I think we are still waiting on XAU USD. Still waiting on XAU USD. No, 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 no. Look at XAU USD. We're still waiting for XKU USD. All these breakout structure, then all this level is considered as liquidity. So this is our point of interest. We are still waiting for AUD, AUD, JPY, yeah. High probability setup. We are still waiting for AUD, JPY. All this level are liquidity, then this is our point of interest. So we are waiting for a lot of buy limit. This may actually activate maybe by next week. So My next video, I will still be explaining one or two things, concerning this liquidity stuff. So have a nice day. Enjoy your weekend. See you guys next. If you are today is your first time to my video, kindly subscribe and turn on your notification button so that whenever I upload video, it will notify you instantly. So have a nice day.